you told me before I'd never come to nothing, girl. I never changed my lifestyle at all. See, yet I've seen the world. So tell me, why should I give you all and have you as my one and only girl? Yeah. I never changed. I'm still the same. Yeah.
There was a time my heart was yearning for you to be in my life. Baby, you're the only girl I try to be with more than twice. And I'm the only man you want. Baby, now they call me a stranger.
Or even Rastafari life. Cause if it's all about the hype, I can't have you in my life. I'm that same root Shasta man, you didn't want in your world. Remember you told me before I'd never come to nothing, girl. I never changed my style at all. Yeah, I've seen the world. So tell me, why should I give you all and have you as my one and only girl?
So now you say you got some value for Mr. Mo. Stick a bit for a minute. Yes, I wonder if you know that I'm the same Rasta man you did the one before. Giving you the vibes that you think only I can bring in your life to bling. What you think is in, no trick or no treat, no paint a picture for my nights to bling. And do some special things that you will present. Send me on that long flight, cause the numbers never ain't that a beat. The way you took it yourself and made it seem like I was not the thing before. Took some time to see, cause there's some things in life that must come around to show.
Come to nothing, girl. I never changed my lifestyle at all. Yeah, I've seen the world.
And they before themselves, look at them from the wall. Some unscrupulous gold diggers. They're the ones who should be called niggas. They're the ones who always want to count all big figures. Yeah, burn them now. In a house of parliament, them a beat down the decks, and I get me vex. Laughing with them friends of the evil ladder, them a climb, collecting every dime, sharing up the people's wealth. Not for exploit for a long time, but remember John no blind. Gonna get spanked with many strides. No care how you hide, your empire come crashing down. Not to live up to them expectation, so be a frustration. Showing majority face, we can't get by them eat off the pie. Them a so cold we eye, but you're dead on the case. Though you think you get away, you think you get away, but you don't know, you don't know. Your judgment's hanging low. You think you get away, me know you think you get away, but you don't know, you don't know. You're going to get a fatal. No mistake in your beating the working eye, and your family won't be spared for all your atrocities and dirty policies. Sit up on a Babylon throne. Are you alone? Running every zone, appointed by the vicarious. So evil is a must, but just soon bring you down. Though you think you get away, you think you get away, but you don't know, you don't know. Your judgment's hanging low. You think you get away, you think you get away, but you don't know, you don't know. You're going to get a fatal. Living in the back of the have-nots, collecting every scrap, then leave us to rot. Hey yo, Miss Harris, me here you run the garrison. Don't try deny that, using guns and drugs to divide.
Mama Africa, Mama Africa, I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I'm in May, then you'll see me in June. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you?
I am gonna party one day. Them said it's gonna be irate then. But when I am going out the party, I was disappointed here. All we could say then was that you're gone. All we could say then was that shooby-dooby day. And the music they played there was no good for the Rastaman, yeah. It was no good for the Asian man. And now I'm going back never go back my Come on, let me say it up here now like this. What's it? All we could say.
One set of footprints in the desert, and you walk rumble and a screw, you think it should have been two. Remember one thing, me out of all I got of the plan. So when you see one set of footprints, I gotta carry you.
Hurry up and come back, was the last thing she said to her son. The day his life was taken, she didn't know he wouldn't come back. He died from the bullet of a gun, and now her little boy's gone. She said, help me, Lord, help me. Then she looked up to the sky, and she heard a voice reply, when you cry, I cry. I cry along with you. When you smile, I smile. I smile along with you. When you cry, I cry. I cry along with you. When you smile, I smile. I smile along with you. Another baby left homeless, abandoned when he was 2. So the street side kids and the shopping mall was the family he knew. It's not easy being homeless. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. And he didn't have a mom or dad to help him get through. He said, help me, Father, help me. And he looked up to the sky, and he heard a voice reply, when you cry, I cry. I cry along with you. When you smile, I smile. I smile along with you. When you cry, I cry.
Based on a
I
true
cry
story.
along with you. When you smile, I smile.
Yeah.
I smile along
It was
with you.
early Sunday morning, me get up, I watch the news. Then me hear say last night I see you, them kill a youth. Then mama tell me say our church sister Jacqueline just lose her brother over Sea-View Garden. When she tell me that I know it mash me up, not tell a lie. But you know some man not huggy, so you never see me cry. Every day and every night she still ask the father why. Her brother had to die, she hear her voice reply.
When
so exactly 30 minutes into the hour 10. Lucian was good, so with Hinkai 93.3 of FM. Juma. The last day, last Tuesday of the month September. Tuesday or September will be our few. Bye cry. Right, so beautiful Tuesday morning. Live on Hinkai 93.3 of FM. Good morning to everybody. But to everyone who was actually tuning in to the best mid morning here on 93.3 of FM. So this morning I'll pay me reading news to be and if we also for trouble so okay, there's no judgment after that. There's no judgment after that. Oh, watching a temple be any baby. Now the boys are free to pray. As I would travel so. As a you grow up. Baby, let me say, Uncle Pam fan out by young boom pom pom pom. And some I bet and someone on gas over till on pay. I just want to force over. Once again, good morning. I am Hinkai 93.3 of Juma. My bro motivational message very soon.
For me and you,
a famous birthday and a question of the day. But let me find out, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good, yeah?
And she must come and talk to His Excellency.
I hope you are fine if you do speak English. And if you speak Gantete, if you speak ever, F1, if you speak Brekume Poa, Iteme, I was at your day. Fra la one, Grushi Crete, and Zema Cordia. I have finding some patch of 100 today.
I need a nurse. Yeah.
You're sure so who ye? The Copa Washa would do. Bonnie Bianto, upon who buys from Coniati. And I was today. And I want some money.
No prescription for me.
Alright, so we are here from now to 12. And of course, my name has always been Ejenime Champon Boatin Cosmos.
Good like you know what we should.
Call me Kobina Costi. Bruce Money. And I love it when the ladies call me a Brantipa, the perfect gentleman. Show produced by DJ Nelson, Mr. Charles, Nana Tupahin. Beautiful reggae morning. Hey.
Yes, I need a nurse. Somebody hit bucket first.
Right, so join me live on Facebook.
And then me want her first, but need a nurse.
It's a Hinkai 93.3 of FM. And we're transmitting live from the studios of Ikuya Frakuma. We're here. That's right. Shee. Alright, so send your messages through 0594-841-044. 0594-841-044. And I'll be more than glad to read them live on radio. So what will be so in birthday now? Send them through the same number, your WhatsApp number, and also SMS. And I'll be more than glad to give a live mention on radio as well. So send them through 0594-841-044. 0594-841-044. Send the brother making kind from out. And on to our question of the day. So what's your opinion on the Bank of Ghana planning to stop circulating 1 cedi and 2 cedi notes? What's your opinion? Your Bank of Ghana, yes, this is here. You buy 1 cedi, you buy 2 cedi. Hey, my patrol, what's your opinion? Odwen was saying, Sikano, yes, you buy the Odwen was saying, you buy 1 cedi, you buy enche, you buy 1 Ghana cedi. Send a coin, send a PayPal, you be jai. 2 cedis, send a coin, send a PayPal, you be jai. Now, when our boys baby say, now you cross all your 2 offering 1 Ghana. And this is here, now you be jai 1 Ghana. Need na just about 5 cedi and answer there. With the big long dirty car. I saw 4 people say, you're fine, pan, and go punch Bank of Ghana 24. The big long dirty. You're fine, papa. Because boys about all your 1 Ghana kwan. 1 Ghana kwana boy say to see umpo beto 5 cedis. About 5 cedis tie. The buyer say 1 cedi jai 2 cedi dia. 5 cedi and be sika ketwa Ghana ana meboa enti wona ma so the 5 cedi show ai kroma
And they screw up the other.
krom had there Ghana I had that chimabia
He's looking from them at top.
na sinya meti kra se
Hear this.
abofo no bebre se heavy and from
Harmony.
some betana Ghana abofo bebre na omo bo nyankopon se nku wo soro no omo so ma ya de ba ko san from soro no pa enwon nko a ewia enwon nko a enwumre enwon nko a eti heaven tana cry boring omo ba Ghana because Ghana had that heaven.
Children want to see the good old things.
Bepa chawo dwen wo say
They can be
1 cedi 2 cedi ayebeja idie o dwen wo say send it for 0594841044
the cover
0594841044
for the equal.
send in your messages and also your opinions through 0594841044 I can kind your mouth. I'm a motivational messages here but in the meantime good morning.
Harmony. I want you to give me happy. Peace, love, and harmony. The same, world, peace and love and harmony. Oh, peace, love, and harmony. Peace, love, and harmony. We no want no fussing or fighting in our community. Chant and say, we no want no fussing and the fighting in our community. Full of position, peace, love, and harmony. Wake up this morning and read the newspaper in my land. Against ganja, a brand new fight begun. Say what? Yet them not see the man with the coke in the paper. Somehow, this thing is well organized. In a New York, them a run down the crack. Don't watch me ganja, watch that. In a New York, them a run down the crack. Lord. In a New York, them a run down the crack. Police and soldiers and boys. In a New York, them a run down the crack. Saw another article with a youth and his mother. Say so. Mother took his little pants to the laundry to wash. Feel something quite slippery in the paw. Or I woke up Saturday morning, feeling sticky and dirty after morning. Took a walk on a riverside.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Sat down on a stone and start to cool off with the burden down a riverside. Where I check around the youths and I try to teach them the truth, but lay the burden on a riverside.
The mid-morning show,
I walk to every
have a
corner,
blessed day.
try to find someone to talk to, but I have to lay the burden on a riverside.
Have a blessed day.
For I walk,
Right, so this is Riverside from the legendary culture
search,
reggae don't die.
burden on a riverside.
You can't stop Rasta man.
And I walk,
You can't stop us from doing reggae. You can't.
try to search around.
No, you can't.
River.
Pato akasa dem de pon ba de kan de. They
Sat down quietly, watch the fishes circle around the little stones. Later, right down a reef.
me dream asama me kan wo pato ho me dream aya asem kro ne mother.
I cocked my ears and I heard the little birds whistling in the tree.
So on no say me day upon your radio from now to 12, you know me I say it's a reggae thing.
Live good among your neighbors,
It's a Tuesday
like sister and brother.
and it's a reggae thing.
Come with me a river.
Right, so rest in peace to the legendary Nana Mpedu.
All you need is
You know me I say
quietly.
bad news coming in this morning.
We shall go
Nana Mpedu legendary
down a river.
in onu died and so we did. Right, my motivational message and pay me show crying out for you to watch this. But in the meantime, rest in peace and come on the legendary Nana Ampadu. Remember the new mama mention? Na ebe na nampedu moment obi ka chem say na mo de chrome ha de I just say bibian to obi nkwa na mbo no na nampedu anope ya Nyankopon fa na crancy here.
Look at the crow they tie at night.
Right, and motivational message in this one no pay me show on crying. Alright, so anope bia me make sure say show on crying my motivational message, yeah. And the next maybe I catch you say you are the biggest competitor of your own self. In another words, listen, you should be the biggest competitor for your own self. Now if I'm putting here now, your biggest. Listen, your biggest competitor should always be yourself. Should always, and the underlying word here is always. Always be yourself. Self-motivation is key. You won't be successful without it. Am I communicating? Right, listen, your biggest competitor should always be yourself. Self-motivation is key. You won't be successful without it. So listen, whatever you are doing, try as much as possible to motivate yourself. Don't wait for someone else to do. Motivate yourself. Shall we home cry and say, regardless, no matter what, I will still do this. Tell yourself, I will do this, I will win. And I must do this. See, motivating yourself is one factor for success. I tell you no lie. Motivating yourself, telling yourself I can, telling yourself I will, telling yourself I must. It's a key factor of being a successful person. So this one, what I'm telling you is so simple, just simple. Your biggest competitor should always be yourself. Self-motivation is key. You won't be successful without it. So motivate yourself. Try as much as possible to tell yourself good things. Try as much as possible to put yourself in a comfortable situation whereby everything, anything you plan doing will be smooth for your own good. Trust me, motivate yourself. If you don't motivate yourself, you can't reach your goal. If you don't motivate yourself, whatever you plan doing, you won't be successful. So believe in yourself, motivating yourself, or motivate yourself, and you shall get there. So this is my daily dose of motivation this morning. I'm crying, Fatun Koto, my show crying, motivate you. If I show Tim say you are the biggest competitor of your own self. No, I want to be like this, I want to compete this, I want to do this. No, you should compete with your own self. You should compete with your own self. For me too, baby, compete with yourself. Good morning. 43 minutes into the hour 3. 10. Hey, that 3 is really I can't FM Games and Fans Festival. Do you believe in yourself? Say with him table tennis board, draft, cars, TV game. By pick your forms. That one in FM fear. I think the bus on next week on. This week Saturday okay. And the Saturday we so would you who the year pan say with him table tennis board, with him dame to, with him spa to, with him PS4 boy. Saturday we and the bus. But pick your forms. Away if you come and pick forms. Saturday. Second Saturday. But pick your forms. But pick your forms now fancy shaso. So you me say what baby need PS4 though. Fato so na me no nsun ginim. So ya be ma. Fred 0241512388. 0241512388. now pass us into a problem being in what I watch my babu crew man so fresh 0553044069 0530444069. I know our friend has sorted out one time. But let's do reggae music again. Yakoba. Nanam pedu. Nakopon fan the cry and see ya basisia.
Let me tell you, no
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Because the mouth of the wicked out of the sequel is open. Come with I. Rastaman throw one stone, and it bring about the feeling to all wicked men. Out of him foot dread, and the man throw one stone, and it bring about the feeling to all wicked men. Only when man like Marcus Garvey speak, wicked men would I hear. You know hear. Instead of that, they only sit aside and rob and cheat and oppress the poor. May God, what a sin thing. You been get throw one stone, and it bring about the feelings to all wicked men. What a plot, bingy man throw one stone, and it bring about the feelings to all wicked men. If Rasta make a progressive move, wicked men are red. How they want to see the can't send I send out Babylon. Bingy man throw one stone, and it bring a bad feeling to all wicked men. What? Bingy man throw one stone, and it bring a bad feelings to all wicked men. Things change, my dear friend. The table is turned, my dear friend. And you will have to live and learn and do afraid. President Mandela was in prison for 20 odd years. And he leave from the prison and take the seat of the president. Stone one. Bingy man we throw one stone, and it bring up bad feelings in Africa.
Ever since you left me, baby.
The mid-morning show, of the blessed day.
Why couldn't you hold on to me? How will I get through this? I've got nothing left to love again, and I can live on memories, but that's all you've left me with. Yes. Even though I try, and I refuse to cry, I can't get over you. I can't get over you. Even though I try, and I refuse to cry, I can't get over you. I can't get over you. I wanna say I'm sorry for all the things I've done to cause you pain. And I know you're feeling angry, and you don't want to talk to me. Your silence drives me crazy. Baby, I never dreamt that we could be this way. Do you think you could forgive me? Baby, forgive me. Baby, please. Yes. Even though I try, and I refuse to cry, I can't get up.
53 minutes after 10. Good morning, Kashia Point Coma. Rejoice if you are being. And I'm off as JD. Hey, AJ. Allow the be out no any problem.
I wish that we could.
Allow funny of Anya. Don't give me some.
Within these walls,
A big shout to you, man, like said Johnny, CEO of SJ Music. Bro,
right here.
I want to say,
Wishing you could be right here to love me.
if I drop it, say 1 city, 2 city, I be JD.
Oh, I try,
What can we say?
I refuse to
1 city, 2 city, I be JD.
get over you.
What's your opinion on this?
Over you.
Send it for 0594841044. 0594841044.
I can't get over you.
See, I 1 city, 2 city, no, Nakuponya Duma. Your mom payas or my message, so I do not understand the air. And check 1 city, 2 city, you be here for room. Not you, you 1 city, 2 city, few chroma. I got a 5 city, and about be a sick catwa. I see, the 8. Boys, I do. Oh, Mamma, want to be find your my dear. See, where Joe, 1 5 if you be find check my dear. Yes, I never got it. Dale, oh, Mamma 5 if you be find check my dear. Say no more, Mamma 1 be. Your bonfire, yes, your bonfire pass and 1 will free. I'm with you, free pan, yeah, eh. What's class so that 1 gun and 1 here too? As you see, I ever hear free. Umpo was out to 5 cities. Shit. I said, oh. At the point, yeah, sorry, we'll fear Hanum Crana, a Jew offering. At the point, you are Ghana. 1 Ghana was only 20 pesos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 20 pesos is 5. No, the go with the crank. What do you want to say? 50594841044. But I wouldn't say kind of from your by my muntia. And kind of from tea. Yabamo Bia, Yabaman Qualam, Penufo, Merawa Ubia. Not yet. As part of our social responsibilities, one. I kind of every Friday, Bia. Yababe hosty, and I say, I shall say last week, Friday. Right after Brempona to 9 to 11. 9 to 11 every Friday, Biano. Yabramu freaky, there be a funky, freaky Friday. And I funky, freaky Friday, yes. Funky, freaky Friday. DJ Tozik from Peace Affair. But now say, with me, myself, and DJ Nelson. Entity, so we are rapper. Ultimate Spitty Bass. And also we are singer. We need to crash Kevin Boy Money. Dark on vibes some more. And a Camido more. What voice I had to turn on my patio.
They wanna hear me say.
I am Brian Kaya from Mifia. Yanjo wants the Yanjo Cabre. About social share DJ Nelson. I'm so well killed one my toxic straight from Peace Affair. And Friday be an airbasso Yanko Poyat my yes, I said last week internet Friday wins to a basso. And I watch you Friday a basso. It's right after Brempona Mutu. Mood did time upon Brempona Mutu. If you have one did time upon it's a 1 9 and ya shall see any upon 11. And to say with him rap, not ye, and your rap on a singer's phone, but we a DJ, we a DJ. What bonny man and Tonka? If you are born one for birthday, I say, born no more pop, what born no more places be and Tonka. This is the opportunity at the mount. You better be Fiano saying, and you won't go, I be whatever shall just be 2 or 3. Now, you the timetable, when you be much shank of phone with a minimum bot, choco near the idea. And to say we a DJ. We are singer, we are rapper, Brefiano, about social share DJ there say.
Makes me forget that I still need so much.
Right, my try home right Koba. You some cool classic music from the legendary Nana Ampedu. Yabashia.
Eja mi nta adwuma
meje so ebro opening kwantabisa
eja we di anyama ni son na enya na wotwe ne na mbeto se wonu wo made video kafukafo abomachi a mo betebete mkoko yifi ene na so biem
me nua wa bisa bio na mpenifo se akom ene enkyeremu yagu koko yisu agu na nso da bia yebeba na ate ene akate age koko yisu afa
eya ben wunua na metensempa maka bia kyerɛw na ewiase akokoba a oben woni no onedi abebesere nokre wo mni se enura hodo e wodwa so no nyina wo mo ne ate ne akate na fanyonko entizesi a omukɔ nakranda entize wugu pɛ enye omohwe na duro ba ko a etim ate ne akate pa ne din ne akate ken
de wo kan ye nokre sanse entesa enka emma ne sei da
akate ken ye duro nwanwaso bi a Rainbow Agro Sciences na kofa ba na duro din ne honam se na Ghana Cocoa Board so agiatum
akate ken wa mama koma Tomiyem.
Okuani bia opese obonu koko ho ban no. Wonye ntempa no kope akateken yibi nto. Akateken eye koko nrumu nyina hene. Rainbow Agro Sciences na die badwa so. Babia yeto okua ye wonro bia obenya bia to ho. So open dudu matua fra homa yi. 0240897074 ana 0243639920. Akateken obedi wo ho afriate ni akatensem.
Ohima mienka mbojuma ewo mpem na asema yame wo mpem pa o. Winua Kawakuma to yem Amaje Herbal Clinic esa enyadewa nyina wono esa enyadewa bi to say bema wayemre ewompem bema wontomenwo wo ema afemu nso Amaje esa enyadewa bi to say asekeka wo ba wontomen enwo nso Amaje behwe na watenete ede amawo
se sei krampo na mefi dware bana so me ho keka me de say zongola chichi e na achimio
dabi Amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo webubu eguko anase woni pedie nyina ayemre udani weni ede kire Amaje Herbal Clinic wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom ede ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom amaw anwedru ubehu Amaje Herbal Clinic kire kwan ewo oda aboabo any gas filling station no ene di nhwenimu fra won ewo telephone number edi di soyi eso 0244 877 840 anasa 0205 045 655 ko Amaje Herbal Clinic nanya wa yaresa.
EPM Media College, the best media training school in the Eastern region. Abiena Puno Atoho ama board of directors and the entire school management. Etunsa ede afre obibiara say ebreno asun say ye fa next batch of trainees. Ye radio and afe television courses ninyina. Ye wia yamount 3-month attachment. Ewa station bia wope. Ube wieno na ukra professional diploma. Ube timidia ye juma. Ewa Ghana any amano ninyina. Ye wonkoko Hotel Junction, EPM Media College, and She Media House Biasi. Enunti no sauba ushia experienced presenters omufi free media houses ahudum ewo omai Ghana munyina. And some trajumana fa bia opa no. The right place any EPM Media College. O performs ni bia fraying ewo 0241 393534 0241 393534.
Salute! Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and your offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediamus somewhere hubano, and Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Nina etimi banaso, and Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buying every home. And now pa one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk kanshi, and you may move bia your toe in row. At to 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Middle, answer Nadia Fia, Rampao.
Ha, a pint 20 and I'm a fire Shamsano.
And no see a Suprana.
A J.A. Pinding and Call Limited, and one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And you no quampun our home, me do so talk one, and your money say, baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pison and answer what I knew men yet to say wine. A ya parazone one and me this year.
Middle, me fun feature up to be the nephew. Dear Badina, I will rap to be easy.
Eya Kashanoa, na media to up will be brain in us, and Nubia, Papa Patas, soon as so at to say wine.
Nancy, our one in Nampila, who our Wobia will fear happy.
Meditawo, a J.A. Piney snake reparent, and dear two of my session.
Hey, I know more near my papa.
Finally, quiz open and say, what did you, Madame, well, was saying, I and once one, I'm the one chance when you're not that.
And you're with you, media dance at Chalamansan. I ain't fun no more.
J.A. Woman, your mano, Ubenya Biato Kumase, Takra de Tamale, Ho, Sunyane, Kwako, Wabuase, Bonga, Oda, Ghana Commercial Bangi, NAD Animus Check. So, Penidoso Pomatua, Ubenya be a walker, Swa, Winiba Road, a Wakasana factory, no SCA.
Mamma number, no fun come going, no, so from
0242 771 650 and now 0247 576 643.
The novel, now so Mudini body say.
A J.A. Binding and Call Limited.
Me drew horses here. Crusade. King of Grace Chapel, Akim Asene present to you Anamasa Miracle Crusade 2021. Atifia Semne say, now will be someone say, Ada na wo sane no. Now catch na was say, ne hu yama wurade. Luke 19:31. Anunti osumia eda yanim ya ye kwa kwasem 13th October to 17th October. King of Grace Chapel. Ayi na num ede asiwo. Say ye de ba abeje won na ayila. Say de waka say, we on sane no na ne hu ehia ema wurade. Enti won so wo hu ehia ma wurade. Program ne be sha ase. Okuada anwumre no nsia ene fa kosi nonkro ene fa. Sara so na yawada no nsia ene fa kosi nonkro ene fa. Na efiada ne de ye be kwa no pasom na otwe ekosi anopa duba ko empai bobre. Ena efiada na anwumre nso na otwe pepepe kosi anaju du mienu na yapon. Memre da ne so ye be ya picnic 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. na ne kwasi ada so no ye wie program ni na anu ti hye ne so. Sa ubetimi aba program no eba so. Ewo Anomase Rolling Station open and a program no eba so. Na akasa for bebre and a beba program na se. Evangelist Kofi Amwako, Reverend Bright Oforu, Eda Emmanuel Asante, Eda Emmanuel Achembo, Reverend Mrs. Mercy Techi, Eda Michael Techi, and Anyumtofo Akukuda, Reverend Osro, Adom Eva, Obaba Akuya, Sister Ako, anyone na ekeka ho. Na Osofo Pongwa, program we is in the Nanso. Aye, Reverend Frank Kwasi Nkansa, Osemen Kanchero say, we ayan Sanchranisha Mudi, Ka Yadeba Konso a free, Sa Uwa Sembisabia, friend number 0245 97 93 11. Komade so baby na ube hu awurade anumunya adumre mo ba hwayen so.
Jamo building contractor for dear a yana mani brimu if you say a bus cement iron rods any blocks I did see a dynamo more than say Jamo Freya near the factory straight near the Abraham
factory. Then I want to Quincy distribution agency in Kaon.
Hey, who can one nipa base and Siana Mabo Sa Quincy distribution agency for you?
Achieve done and bottom haddy will be a will see done and now wire construction beer ecofan cement and an iron rods every Quincy distribution agency.
And see any factory one I know the Bramo
a factory the contract ahura menyinya Quincy distribution agency and no supply cement iron rods blocks size bia and adwa banding wires pavement blocks and ya dense hu nyemen kaye nyina
enti tese wo mo na ya na digu wo mo track mo de breway
achimo dani eastern region and kaye hadie obia kofa cement iron rods free Quincy distribution agency achimo dan
cyber di ni ma me bio
Quincy distribution agency achimo dan
Messi a fiti necro, a den bia missi no, a chim Danny Eastern Regi Ham Potamwakani dear, a Quincy distribution agency, a Juana Meko. Matisse, one more opposite Timber Market, Omo Bay MTN, and a telephone number Sensua, a 0202 722 695, and a 0266 422 351. Quincy distribution agency, Yaya Yesi Dino, Yanewa Necro.
So, I serve it hot. I give you all the gist in the entertainment fraternity. I'm the music plug too. You're from Kobina Kosti. I branch part the perfect gentleman, host of Showbiz 933. Me bring a whole new package. So meet me, I'm a pandit.
What you say? And Kolam for all genders, all age groups. That time about 3 be one. Almost imagine session. That's why you.
Etiana ne ho ansem kan no an average pundit like some of us now we find it hard to discuss him, but it's what we supposed to do because we need to do and it's show business.
Because I said I need quality one and you too high ne adie. Don't I do be no for no Americans for no boys na crack say. Omo ba on me delete music TV no free omo digital channel so omo decoder so.
This and every Saturday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kobina Kosti.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Have a blessed day.
Right, so music from Nana Ampedu. Nana Ampedu. May you so continue to rest in peace. And they are called back Yankopon fan the crazy. I'm fan the crazy. Obiabe Kobi. I'm fan the crazy. Now, when I was off road, Chabo, so was it there? I said, "Tell me any way I said, I have a circus, I have a circus. As a Yankopon Aya Domoswa. Remember that way I about 2nd October. I am Miss Mukojami a year or down SD School Park and as well. Mr. Bode Nasia, aka Baba. Oh, Baba. Baba Yankopon Fire crying shade. Baba has been good to us, Baba. Me and Minya, Madame for me Bibia, ne papa, Baba. Kokuayoka, Joyok, ne papa, Yoka, Nakoponya Doma, you know, maybe that way be a Chimodan SD School Park and as well. Baba said, Obolo, catch a Kwaku say, Osuanya Sankakra.
No, the nothing quite, you know, good to children, and no say. Oh, Vanessa.
No, Hannah Baba Fremi. Oboro, Miss Baba. Catch a quack, say. I was young and Sankakra.
What danger? Fear something so. Emerald,
Yanko Poyadoma, second. Remember that we are. And I hear about you more than SD school park and so I'm on bra.
I say something, baby. What's your good face and you?
Color Studios and they get them Broadway. So I'm fun to when you go point out the man. Not so when you're bar now, Ben may be not so by your one day. Man, caught baby. Picture, I'll be who's it.
Yes, I'm
picture will pan in my bucket. Then kind of crap picture will pan my bucket. Now, TV. Color Studios and Vegetarian Broadway for your wedding photography, birthday, then you now brand own child. When you for ni come up, picture flame is a picture no phones across the fabra. But you have the amount come up. Watch him or down. Upseat cannot pharmacy. And our friends abandon Broadway works as well. Jumeco School for sorry. From Ranian printing with t-shirts and the digital embroidery. And fire no more than baby. Our friends, we a guy. Walk to a chair, open so show did go new. And a nice come upon. So almost a bra. Not young be and farmer. Walk come down and the kind of upseat cannot pharmacy. There's no training man and memo person identity or video editing, video shooting at the idea. For 0245276638 0245276638. I'm a J-Bar Clinic. I'm a J-Bar Clinic, the ultra modern scan machine at the bar. The Patroya Arabia Titi, the Major Branun to as your mount. Major Zabra, now Yarena, your problem. Yarena, the chin, so for so, the chin do for so, the chin hospital, hold on. My dear, say, on Fambana, so yes, she now she's a brady good. Bra. Now, on two Yarena say one time, Pam Fama. Your trauma scam machine, they buy the show with the manas of body. No, I hope Arabia and Yarena to no potty, maybe a chef. To us, a quantum detector, and so the other. My patroti, the Shire physiotherapy, massaging Papa.
Why say, oh, the single good something.
Yet, me pacha woni mo bi a rate na wanka sample na ya rate wa bo modern so ba hwehwe ma je ba clinic e kira kwan e wa chem odan Red Cross Junction opposite gas filling station abo abon quantum points wa na be won amaje say o kidney e ho na touch ma me ama no menstrual problem etete mo gonorrhea syphilis ulcer typhoid afi o yo ba we be ma wa arrange fi bebre wutumi en wo ba amaje zebra no mbo a Now to me call for 29 so Fred was 0244877840 and po yare na so yare my den to me my so ya almost say Fred na ye beba waso ye sa Fred 0205045665 0205045665 and 02044877840 0244877840. Birthday, happy birthday, cause you call Emma. Share the same birthday with Olivia Jordan Thomas. Yeah, she is an American actress, model, television host, and a beauty pageant title holder who was crowned Miss USA in 2015. She represented the United States at Miss Universe 2015, where she was placed as second runner-up. Right, so she was placed as second runner-up for Miss Universe. Wow, I love her movies though. I love her movies. She's very articulated, very active lady. I love Olivia. She's very good when it comes to acting. So today happens to be her birthday. She was born on 28 September 1988. She's 33 years today. Happy birthday. So wow, do I would then be answer? Happy birthday, Kasiapa and Ko Emma. 28 minutes into 11. About your opinion for 0594841044. Bank of Ghana say you be jai 1 CD 2 CD ni be jai di enche. About your wide drink chale one day. Me say mo man try adria go pem say be drum money no maka say there be ye nyansa sam be me an ye kan ye jai. Yan ye kan enso ye jai yen se san sika ni bio. Nelson say inti sisi an ye be jai 1 CD 2 CD ni. Uko to koko abeto koko 5 CD. Not to bo fruit 5 CD ana. Ana neso betima to. Say we 5 CD a. Ubeto koko 1 CD. No ato bo fruit 4 CDs. Say na 5 CDs. Say onya to somehow. Say pure tanya e be ja no. Okay. The say pure se coins o. Any coins on the no, debut 1 CD ni 2 CD no. Am reason it then. Reason is say ye jaidi. Ye jaidi. I was still that JTT because from my bazo. So now you wait to cocoa 1 CD. So who the 20 pesos 5. Who to cocoa 1 CD 2 CD. I had the important of the I was ye jaidi. No problem as ye jaidi.
I must say, yeah, mamma Jadi fuono. The way now mo handle scano. Note no. E mo boka.
1 CD 5 CD no.
Dabi. 1 CD 1 CD 2 CDs no. Won say ma me no bu a la yesen ko nya wallet bi ana say purse bi di shemu no. Onye ne sa e no fitin ya no da bo ne ntoma no.
Na 5 CD don't even mo ntoma no.
That is what they are saying.
Now over to 5 CD 10 CD. E be 100 CD.
Once at times ana 1 CD ni 2 series no ana common ana security omo side ho
e doso pa
to no nyanya ho anu abo unse mi kwa tumi tintim se no da she ni trim what does it
is ya jai
it ano no mo so pese me no kwen
oh okay
sa it's on ma note no a face out
paper na free
mu
okay
what does it tell no that so obetimi da bontuma no afa bontuma no aso betimi kinchimi da ashe wasunte mu ana so wasmechi na wase ade we say we nya rhythm nation
we don't speak kasa
da nya nisa we nya rhythm nation on by you
market women 5 cedi ndo mo ebi obebo 5 cedi obebo even at party even 100 cedis e bom kra obebo
anything no market woman no and as a market woman for no say one thing say most be yin kitwa na frimu dia na say tisi akese no as still now no most be the same thing so say na ye
the man says
and to say there will be a time say no kwanzem gonna be run it through
ana say sika na gasa so omutwa na metal
omutwa na ba
that dey nti dey krawa ubo ye ndegu bag
because in 20 sa 200 Ghana cedis kwambo bomu kwambo no okomo kola jomo pa se dia ya ma menu bi handle sesika no masa eti se mo se mo de no na ya idia February de na ya ma menu ompre omuntie wu
I think because CMB on now me call 1 to be so I was at CMB na trust me do CMB on that station one ma stores na wo ho no send your mama for no handle 200 cedis no the mom then say 20 Ghana
na
send your 200 cedis new crown
send your omo handle scan on
with him tama me to ade on itina o sesame nanka o sesame on na send your na all this scan mama no me say mama check his scan the mama you 200 cedis oh one was next one was 200 cedis any you say
200 cedis any one
Ghana say meaning some no hu that's why my shade ni oh
God be ma
200 cedis na why sika no
Christo di mo
debut hwe say na why sika no o be ka say 1 cedi
tin God is sound atopa hinanga o twen ya o mane lando ne zemkra no wahwim
Hey, mama, check your idea. Check your idea. Check your idea. Yes, yeah.
Gabriel, how did I make politics in football? Member, eh? Politics, we banner we did more discuss politics. I measure review. More Jim Bon watching. I measure review. Call as I am a Macron Gray. Yet I might be being was a 1 city 2 city movie every system.
I said that to find out church.
And then I'm winning in every when you not in every system, more in everywhere. Ah, if you back one, I come in. And teacher that Groma will be about also a bimbo.
Now, anything.
Sir, before we try a just can be. Mamma be heavy. And I go for also a
now, but yes, so much just come.
Some just come.
Also, baby. Don't worry.
Omono person ya maame no no e handle sika no sai nkuma wan na ye note no
omo yifru a no kwenzo dwangum
no no e mo baka because unse dey in doubt bia no unse answer na sa 1 cedi na say 2 Ghana cedis na samra system no bi no ma sa fa sika fufuro sika asa kotwa no da wan sa begumo what does it the way na maame handle sika no eno na mo run down
instead of more baka
say mo ye ne sa mo de a no betimi akate some cost be down
engati bibia engoti hwe adent na onye nze mo nkaza more education rather than more kaza mo yi no do in every system na
but you see I think the coins mo grab the problem ka ba
e ba yira gra mo
yira say na yira
say ye ja once the paper di na say ye di coin na I mean
what mean
same thing
what's the difference
say don't me unya ho more money be
more money dey to pay him see 200 cedis square
more no na o ma example mo scenario no one there na
kabina on say 1 Ghana ni 2 Ghana no ye fa ya hwe ojomo
masa I don't simple and short I don't know omo nya education mom omo ma public education won since I was mo be year visit
education do be ma but one say you come market sada say 1 cedi ni 2 cedis no enya yi o
monto airtime monto an kaze no ma ba ma to airtime na mo chechire o me pa mo just kan say ni ye boka die ni say
eno so kra so me no nya adwe ma me cho hwe education won ye chrome ha na ye won uchi obi transit channel dey said den o sorry obey
we nya de kire o chechire nzem
na o chechire ma sa o channel dey
wo chire ma chenya fe na we ka say we de no court na classroom so o chire ni say
enya classroom asem
o e ba cho 1 cedi 2 cedi no
o so obey ma me
cho obeti o
ma me cho GHS time o mo chro edigu ya bro sign off a mo chro be gu say don't write on the wall obi control hu okay say what I say it is for one example and I say educational go be money pano obey o be tran ahenga ka chen say mama o ko top fish and I say go for be top fish na me mo sika no obeka say you wate enen kwa onye o tran be say biom eti no changing the money and I say omo scan no fish system no need coin there no I think it still won't solve anything
it's simple let's face the fact and can solve the problem be masa
but you say on say education dey on so omo man all right o say ye mfa be a proper way of handle money no anase be a dey be ordinary note here on say ye man omo ya
atbaka say ordinary
mezaga bi mana
ye na ngoba zo mmo
mezaga bi aha ora say education dey mama deda
true
but sa mokola and then business sudua sa mokola for no dey sa 1 Ghana 2 Ghana dey yemfa ya hwi wo sa dwom ho
atopodwom wo no
market you na sa 1 Ghana 2 Ghana cedis no omo value no sin say from 5 cedis echo no what I say it's no matter say yemfa na say na yenyi sa no sa note ni fro na yemfa ye coin
na into 1 cedi ni 2 cedi ye be di
coin anu nya coin ye anu nya coin ni ehwe se bia market women no mo odwom no ombesan be anase bia ombetiesi ada note no su bi ma
na samtisi anu so
na se na yakua nim
na maza be se no so
na yakua ni sa abena ye se
ye note no ma be coin 200 cedis kwa wa have than coin
ni yakua
me who be CMB 200 cedis or they change me as one because say what's a sika no won why sika no me hu se na me no omo no box say na ya no wo chim ni say me hu se na why sika no nti oyi na fe no 1 trim po say o the mam straight nti me na me hu say no zeros no eyi wo ho eyi mienu na once the suka say zero nim and am say mama check scan here o say me ure na be free entia.
Atopa hina nga speed bi odu be free na. Oh say.
Yeah kan ni na no. Efa bi wa beboa, but efa bi wa emboa. The best thing is say. The best thing is say sanka omo pani yie pa de a. Ena nkomo ma yin sika no enye te say Nigeria for the AB.
Nigeria for the.
Also mo da enye ordinary people bi sa.
Otianti, me say kasa ordinary.
Me say ordinary. Ara ba so de mi ko school na pay na. Eti minime R, ena minime L.
Okay, kan for.
Adam baza munya gaza de
Ara ba say yana.
Ara ba say me say Nigeria sika na yede.
Also mo currency and so sika no. Rubber form.
Enye de be dia adia.
Me say omo currency. What does say? Rubber.
Kasa rubber.
Rubber.
Enye laba.
Me say rubber. Oh, enye rubber form. Rubber form.
Rubber.
What does say?
Sir.
What does say?
That is no munya. Na munya za nze una mo gaje.
Saje me ka makapen. Musika no. I just a blade o.
Sir. And how to that team?
Me kai say guy be friend no I am. Ono do team of force.
Say
no bebre.
But enti say dey ya big kakra bi.
Na omo dey ton so say dey kwa besia ube ya afa
enya hwe. Uso ma je omo dey dey ye.
Eto omo nya ne sa.
Omo nya ne sa bi. Simple.
Omo nya pepa na etie no omo nya sa pepa no.
Omo nya ne sa. Wa na so me den diska.
Ode.
Ome den discuss na okay.
Na discuss mo chale esa
na me jowi. Enti ome den discuss ome den.
Don't
make your question gum. Boko na boto ba ko se obi mpa. Sure. On my way. Check it just. You mo be o ma change position me one man na Bank of Ghana on.
I just mo bu so oboba.
Penny aboba ye nya na ge bisa no. So am the position o ma change penny ba on no.
Evidence that's one na.
Na. Go yet tell den dem bisa dan. Yet na FDA, mami ko say o dan FDA boss. Yet na radio stations obi akosign contract yet na mo ba ka say na otwembo ya nye akole beverage bia wan bit.
Ewia ni anopa na de.
Na ewia na ngola mo ko school o reason is ngola no have influence on ngola. So ewia no na ngola go school. Enyume 8 na ngola no nyina ba fie mo na ye omo adwet no.
Hwe censorship board almost some be can say you see there was a time on Kofo show porn na TV so. And over can say ye jai say I'm raising this nkwala ebehwe. And now ye won kwala omo hwe omo phone so chin TV so there.
Because the another and the standard board front enyo mazam am do travel from there. Now compared to alcoholic beverages.
Say example na me dem because alcohol so and I me no nja say on alcohol yi ka chen say so be no ntumi no.
Mean I.
Na no ntumi no on hwe TV. On tie radio.
Sa kra o san kan no kan ibio o no kan
ensa o kan.
De nya na advert no. On ba ko no.
100%.
Obebu na ngasa.
O say on 100% oba no. It's you you crow one magasa no.
Ama you shows be grab boys out then na me okay you show be abenzo na sponsor show no. O nyina
ebe bo me kai say na me sumi ye some rush bi ewia with casa breako. E don so sa FI to baby ebe bo and up to now oh yeah nja sa
na Mrs. Adams aguba na up to na ma dwenwa maintenance up to now
ye kro man kasa no bibia say obi chanyi BBC na bibia ko na nyoma sa
so obi be depose so ye bibi na yes ye bibia dey influence better influence be so
o kan so bu ntenya bia ne ko pi GFA endra obi test me say come na sa utimi to fire sa
anya kwa me mama ye remfi say anya kwa na ye ntimi nwia o
anya kwa say anya kwa na
yentimi wi.
People no jogum grom wi na dem.
Say ku kan say kwan na be dosun.
Ampa.
Para say. En ye piegu bottom a.
Na egu bi mpa.
Na egu bi pass.
Ye pro ma de.
Atakumba. Sakrama mo niamuye longwai. Niamuye
African Kasha, I don't know. I just don't understand. Anything under me can say sometimes I am me say me surround upon me trim. Na me 9 pim and pan edge na me who say Africa. It dey pay me wa. shimmy papa so I Africa but sometimes I know so the blame my mouth oh you're like your great grandparents yeah time I chichi ni na fofo no tete oye no available near chain and koya but this time katopan who you bruni mpa akabroni na wo sabe nkan ya go pie price ho baby na na do ahwede ya nkan sabe wo ya price
ayi nana pedu a wenya baby ko yi o se nkan che Ghana for say ni omo pese omo ye no ye hu omo ye hu
that is a kuti ana kan as we dey
oh send me
say Endra obi shada frame na minim ni pano frame later I mean na be adam for say come na minim say ultimate to fire za na me say say
jane de ba na ba
o say Endra dey say na odi jane koji efe na me say say me catch us say me political person and I'm also a sports person but ya kasa to say on my mba exactly nti nyoma bi ho na say hi say
et na nampedu o say nkan che Ghana for Ghana pen for no say de mo pese omo ye no ye hu
na mo de mo kakra de nyante kra yan se be de nya bia
and ye shen bottom sana onze note na tam sana o pakia ana dust to dust bebre si kwan no ide no so o shen bag ma asa na ba na si asema kaze mikoku ana ze megaribi ada je di o mesie ati kwa be su no mpesa of the yen
success the minim first I minim say bia men kwana me say me vote the me vote success ka no odi ka krache de wa message ba men kan
o say on vote
success no so be
on vote election asa me dey me vote da
yes sir
o me vote da seriously ya wo me to abada
ade o ID card ayira
enya me ID card no kra
oyo man bofu ankasa
enya man bofu oh ntina me say me politics discuss politics me politics me sports
we need
that on election that
we need traffic lights and they are giving us street cameras
hey bra
ambo me jondro
success
about me be election time baby na me ni baby am here me ID card no
anything I want to know
and ana me ha me ho say me foka
but so ho dey anka beto wo ha dey anka
say kill me ho na say me fa na say bia obi e no dey me twem na obi e no dey metima akoto na say me ko di kill mu pa say me koto aba ma
na wo hu aba ya to obi e ni ho da
and then say ntina me so me to video
and say me ya chiu me ya chiu
me anu me ni nyu fiti me mu kala bro me di ATM start here card me to abada
ya aven matu ba ko pe
utirunga ode monto ai
atopai what trasa so 33 years afu to ba ko
atopa bro 33
sa
atopa 45
sa ina matasu
50
na facha me
50 years aven matu ba ko
na ojon wai na ojon wai
se na brenen so
ebreze
se tamba o se metu na matu
58 ya ba ahin afi no to ba
ye be na to
yeah 2016 yeah
odoma wai 2016
anu metuma kube
party
na kube ya party
party tell me busa
me da say kube
the 2016
na me sha say
na 2020
me see 2016 na me to ye
okay
what do you come at yakwa dey
eti munya say you complain say
oh tie one thing say one thing say ana make officials for no be o that here but ana
your special voting o maza o gaza me na yo
dia am de mai se fan koto no ana e ka bibi so ne ha ba bia ye kwa akoto ade na ba na ana ruti ze what that here je na ba sa na etu ana uti na uti nko eten no sa na bu akam on se na tie
ba so betu aya to aba
o se
aya to aba
oh metu adai
baba da monto aba
my vote
aya monto aba he die
my vote
monto aba
monto why
bayi mo fru
bio
advan ti mami tofu se o ma no se ngoyi wa ngoto aba na anyan yi de wo feel se o ma na koyi na o beda no aba
that's unim enra me kan say be say on team me I think say bibi answer team say wo koto e dey leader no na fan say bia me man to ani not the oil no gusuye. So me some toman be no oil nothing changes. So me I don't see any reason why I should go and queue and vote.
Na me only me reason.
There no reason.
Abano Ghana no say no. Uchu tiane batene yepe. NDC MPP. Oh nyina the same story. The same do kada.
Enti na ndra na make answer. See. I was a youth of this country. It's me serious. One day my fan show me. Ebedu 7 December so then the no. Obeko police station bi. Na nkokra for na bia kakra bi na ho.
Omoji na ewu no.
Nti wo kono hu youth bia. Na sa de no so yesi wo nya 50+1 say besa to bi. Eti wo beba for campaign bi mu. Oba ho na be kire wo say. See, this time around no yempe dada bia. Oba come and build hospitals. Come and build factories. But you be my what before I know my dad and say I'll do this. Now you vote 2 months into power. Yeah. No, another me like this, and yesterday I said it, and I'm still saying it with no apology. Said nothing will push me to go and vote until say I she say okay fine. This particular party, I BB, I'm a you to know who say okay here. That's only depression what town.
Sure. Mas I'm telling you.
Only depression what town.
Send a man for dreams and it trauma bebre. And I'm for do.
Only depression what town. Here telegrams is here I'm no kasa on. Ko share youth
mebu go good fie no.
Omu good channel bi so asabwe. Excuse my French. Omu Jimmy kake. Enye say na first o Jimmy o. But
onya hwenye.
Me say pa me coin. Here ade bi aba. Omu de players di no omu de here. Ma me fa money ene sa. Any example, we think I say, I have a running stomach. Inti, not the 2 pictures not to. Now we read on with Dino. Obisu the mercy never say, or the taxi no cause mates. Now or the other mercy wa ha. Tio, me question say, why na trans na who sa die way or the sa die way by. Say who baby kwa who sorry na who baby kwa. Anka unya daje. En ko telegram. And I say enko internet enko search player din mama enko telegram sisi ana me kire obi to me enko telegram enko players din ana say bia where is this thing asun bebre he obi wa ha o say or the Pepe player no number 3 o say I thought she was a Christian sana it will say Pepe din sa na oye Pepe. You see, look at this. It is a Ghana panu wo juma ya. Do you think so? Open time. Anyway, penimu bi enu oba sadi we. It is us, we the youth. Ye na sadi we. Ye na social media. Ye na hwe, we have nothing doing. Ye so na pa ye dwale ye shade bi enko adwuma. Adwuma bi ani kroma na ma MP bi ana say bi a government official bi aye say youth no mumba gi bi nye. O so na pa to depression to train. We have family to feed. People are depending on us, but chefie. Ti be ya say o say memes bi near this stress na dey be post near there. Look at all this.
Cause me say o she back enkroma time na when na o. O jo hun tu say e never property in the way and benefit for my baby. She akratama motorway. Cause if is I did how many years? And so still as solid as something. And so more as then that technology in your high you. Then that bibia from and then na mo say ni bia bana technology wo high bibia standard no. Hwe mo ya omo ya kwan ni 1 year. Omo twa road so ne eni 1 year. Ne kwana sai ba say.
Motorway factories. Shabaku bi so. Or see English, you can't say looks like water. About you ma, she or the player no she normal living just your friend Asensio. It's about you ma, Asensio. Why na ba ni trim? Ade we about why trim na ade we ba ya. I mean sometimes.
I got the mini problem what nyama who is the other life there. Now she month this way. Young boys, young girls. Tramo, Jot, V, and San. Oh. But sorry no bibi ya.
Only baby akọ.
Why then the push it on Tonsan.
We say I couldn't find my mom. So I asked my dad and she said, "Oh ma me call and all day." Yeah. Ti ube what thing say chrome. Ti oh ma me call chrome. Shadi we.
Sense.
Say
I say nya dagie. Yes anu ma we nyina.
Atopa.
Etikadwuma o ha.
Nya dagie because only baby akọ.
Only baby akọ. Kadian ka factory ana say so me na wa ha yi anke omo be hye mu kanya ana nka mabu omo wa ha enya dwuma ya san go ntimi nsa na daje o sa de be hu
Me sometimes on me who 90 see me who YouTube I can say share the woman party no share the party no because I call him say
on correct excuse me on correct now what
Mama come away from GM was it what kind of leaders do we have at all in Ghana? So imagine you have gone to the bank to withdraw 200 and they give you all coins. Look at how heavy it will be. Coins in Kwan near the amount. Coins in Kwan with the glass with the coins in Kwan.
She said, and I know, Mammy Bishop, and you catch them on Modokun 1 city, our boy. On Modokun 1 city. And you want to near the Dokun 1 city or no hot my hustlano. I can't 3 citizen Bodona, 2 citizen Bodum. Uncle a pet Dokun 1 city, Nigeria 1 city, I checking out. Was it Dokun 1 city? Done away. Uncle Pentra will be no bones, you know that. No move. I saw Penny baby. Oh, my Yama SS. Watch your guys and 2 city.
Nims is what telling me is Koniki. Look how they see. Say, you will be our you will be oh. Yes, say ya daji baby. Inti ya pempe furniture. Omo my nuanu na me see depression na what town on.
Last time we go we call pieces of na my colleagues no. Hey, Chalawa come on. Ade o anya no back so anya no fort. So wakotena wakotena aboabo. Odidi free and contumely or fire no anya or fire no tubanje. Or fire Mr. Asa, also offer Otona once there, over Asa. I'm telling you today. Oh, no, no, say, also, what the Macona, only Diano, and Yanina, only Abobo. So, only my boa, Honga, and I got them so what you do in him.
May say me bomb pie, so a bedroom time, yeah. Oh, a penny phone will say, Charlie, you no money, bro. Youth no more serious. Youth no yenyewe mamutisiano. We can't take them for granted anymore. We can't do this. Omo say, hey, I am me yase on. I am me yapa say. Yaba can be. But do 7 December. Say, but do December time. I'm be campaign that dia. Ube hu sabe. Mo broni biba. No DHR. I got 500 cedis. No Jimmy.
And who didn't for how long? 500 Ghana. Who didn't for how long?
No Jimmy fine. No I got 2 fine. No Masaba dada and you. No same person.
No bre.
Me I think guy be my friend on Facebook. I don't know who am say. No or video. More flexi crow and then I'm showing Zira because you ever talk about no. I saw what the guy was doing. To my way. Share with to mana. That same person. And I'm one yeah, I'm say. Oh, Munya, what kind of problem? No,
oh, yeah, hypocrite. I think I've only nice and governor dinner.
Oh, I know him, but sometimes Michelle no man was there.
Dinner, the one was there, or Nimya,
much me few, but my mom was there, baby. Why doing free banner? I will chip because Munya, you are the cause of your problem. You are the cause of this. That's a young call now. And I'm here. Oh.
I'm a boy. Let's come on, and I was charging on
Milo.
Let's come on, man. Oh,
I didn't put the giant crack.
Nana, a very
and Uncle for be a test to say, you're per traffic light. I'm on my street cameras, but any day, I think any day. Say, traffic in Baba.
Now, the first thing first.
Traffic, Baba.
Because the first thing first.
But Baba.
Come on, okay, fine. Obianka say, Bado. A very good. Say, monitor town, me boy. Now, traffic, they say traffic light, no. And first thing first. In the traffic light, then I was a camera.
Ebe munya potre. Ebe nya potre. Since this year, baby, born so the hoye nice man. Boys into me, we are the baby, near the
na oh, okay.
At the pastor, come against the boys, mom saw the town and say, said the young baby, I did a swear shoe. Let me be him, baby. I would never see the batching cry. A fine pan.
You know, my man, come on, officer, I am for some movie.